Britain's Health Secretary Matt Hancock told politicians Monday that a new variant of COVID-19 had been discovered in England, where it had infected over 1,000 people in the south of the country, where cases have been rising dramatically, leading many to question whether the new mutant strain is capable of spreading more easily, causing worse symptoms or potentially rendering the new vaccines ineffective. Dr. Jeremy Farrar, director of Wellcome, said that consequences of new mutations are potentially serious. Farrar emphasized that there is a great deal left to learn about COVID-19, noting that there is no room for complacency. We have to remain humble and be prepared to adapt and respond to new and continued challenges as we move into 2021. Farrar added that there are still surprises in store for the coming year. As Hibberd said, it's too early to tell whether this new strain of virus represents a threat or not. Mutations are common and expected in viruses, especially ones that are moving around a new species like COVID-19. That it is found in areas seeing a rapid rise in cases seems, on face, alarming, but it's too early to tell whether or not there is a causal link between the two events. Further research and observation will be needed to track and understand new strains. Understanding the genetic makeup of COVID-19 is crucial in designing and implementing an effective pandemic response. Mutations could, for instance, increase the virus death rate, boost its transmission, or, potentially, help it evade a vaccine, and it's a simple fact of life that viruses will mutate and change over time, especially when pushed to do so by the human immune system and the introduction of new vaccines. Indeed, it is unsurprising that we are seeing new strains emerge. Dr. Zania Stamataki, a viral immunologist at the University of Birmingham in England, said that the emergence of different coronavirus strains a year after SARS-CoV-2 first jumped to humans is neither cause for panic nor unexpected. However, that does not mean mutations will always be benign, and careful monitoring will be required. That the UK has been able to detect changes so quickly is a good sign should a mutant turn out to be dangerous, putting the country in a good place to respond. The discovery of a new mutant strain in Denmark, linked to mink farms, raised precisely these kinds of worries, and the Danish Prime Minister ordered the culling of the country's entire 17 million-strong herd in order to contain the threat. While the strain, believed to threaten the effectiveness of vaccines currently in development, is now thought to be extinct, the World Health Organization is investigating mink farms for their role in spreading the disease.